Sars Kojo Fosu, popularly known in the showbiz as that Lumba, with a song he released for South Africa, Lumba, Ebeye Nidin. Intino, he's known as that Lumba. Bia befebia, yenim no. Owu ye, ehun sem se bebrebe. Ehun penten kwano so de enkrofo tibi. Ya ye 1 week awie. After the 1 week, ye tin sem bi wo hon. On the 16th of October 2025, we had the injunction. Mami Akosia Sewa, the first wife. That is what we can say, because as no one be refuted that fact and there. That is what we can say to educate people out there. Say we're not legally, we're not any the married wife at the mother Lumba, at the injunction, Eba Bontain, at the court, Kumasi High Court. Say, yemfa injunction emfanto dead Lumba a year no so. Na yen declare ononkwa as the legal wife of that Lumba until that in a year no yeman konkwa, because ebusiane ye yen eyipamu, ebusiane ye yin tochene, ebusiano emfa no enkanche sheye no ho. And na pese be back and forth na no bi be che na sudie anane responsibility as a jiri no. Yemfa injunction emfanto so. Ye court, ye kotie munsem on 16th October said American ye. The lawyer for Mami Akosia Sewa, lawyer William Kushi, any legal team ni nyina, any will be a court ho. See a kwa kotie injunction no any emunsem. Ye drew one more. Court say, Ebusia penny, Eja Kofi, Owusu, and so the another application about beto. Say, Mami Akosia Sewa doesn't have the legal capacity. She doesn't have the legal strength. Say, we're not able to me about court, I will claim. We say, we're not any dead Lumba, into court to Mona Semnin Tungu. And court in Tina Semna and Sana Watana, that Lumba, the said wife, Akosia Sewa, Ediane so. Into the court, it's not see, and no say, Yasa the application for Frababe Tuja. Namu Baya Namu Betty Munsa Modia, and the intimate same way suman in ye. And ye will be unco Munkoko Boaboamo on 28th October, Munsan Somra. Na san same way me no. The application a yebusia penny a jaw wuswa fale. And the application a Mami Akosia Sewan in the legal team so fale say. Court emfa injunction fan 2 years so no declare or non kwa so no ne betima yekuna na ye nimpo kra no eni mebi wo ho ne mo a ye involve no na wono enya that to me no yemfa konkon ho. On 28th October, that was yesterday, court ekwa setina Kumasi High Court jeja watina sa same way say ho during the arthur one etina sa case we ho. Na yenim said the other time we had an interview, and now it's an exclusive interview with the lawyer William Kushi. He said a lot of things, stating categorically, said the wife, she has been through a lot into a victim. Looking at the other Lumba dina femua from Germany down to say Obaba San Ho Yare. Now Oba ya one sound so my back him. Doti and say Mikrum and na say Bema Menetiano asa before Bafofro and non conquer daho. And near ma omojin or honum worth over 100,000 euros. She had to stay. Now also Chiasa Canina and Nunti and a manager no car, Germany honomono. But nipa we brenti sanse mu yasinti they think say Mami Akosia Sewa na ignore the responsibility as a wife and na oja that Lumba JJ man betina Ghana Emma will be for fire na wa bread that Lumba home. But lawyer William Kusi say on friend bread so wo hwesikeni anya bread so who enjoy celebrity worth I am friend bread because our celebrity ni celebrity a nka wan kwatena ne ho ewo ne yare da wo mu kwa nkwatena ne ho wabre na oda honom se oye yarefo anase oyare na emmom no Akosia Sewa na abre no dobroni there she came to enjoy was stating for a fact na to say court betina on 28th October no obi ani ho kwan obi ani ho tumi se aye ne beto aso se yento aso to say atena se ampa so yetena ho a In some mienu and abepiem afba. The first one is the application. A year eja owusu file ye say court mbontungu because akosia say wa enye any the legal capacity. So they assembly and say adie bi e further Lumba ho e de beba court. Afei nso no ne nsɛm a wɔka nyinaa no yɛntontwene ɛno na ɛno a court tena so no court ne declaration of the babontin. First one is the preliminary application. Ɛno sɛ yɛka sɛ yɛkyerɛ mu a ɛno na ɛdi asɛm no anim. Deɛ ɛdi asɛm no anim nie. Court tena aseɛ no. Ebusuapani ne nkurɔfoɔ application de kɔto hɔ nom sɛ yɛbɛbu asɛm no koraa wɔn sɛ yɛatwe asan. Yɛnsɛm a yɛkeka ɛfa a maame akosua deɛ no ho nyinaa yɛsiw tɛda yɛ application da ha no. Court ɛyi patu baabi na afei deɛ nkɔ asɛm no so. Ne yɛkɔ asɔre no so deɛ maame anaasɛ judge during the Arthur say injunction na da marriage issue no so no ana funeral na ɔsi yɛmfa injunction ɛmfa nto so no so wagye tuma enye yie de ntia wagye tuma enye yie no ɔpɛ sɛ wɔkyerɛ sɛ injunction yɛde to biribi so a na ebia na de korɔ no ebetimi akɔse the lives of people ɛno betimi de oyo ne kɛseɛ bi aba ebetimi de nsɛm bebrebe asi with that the obetimi agye atum na ɔde injunction ato so ana yɛde injunction to biribi so ba wei no wotie afanu mienu no otie abusua no etie maame akosua sɛwa no obi antimi disprove obi antimi fa any factual evidence or fact ento abonten a ɛkyerɛ sɛ injunction ni ehodi a ɛde problem bi abɛba enti no so ɔgye saa asɛm no tuma enye yie enti na as it stands now ɛno no declare maame akosua sɛwa as the legal wife ne deɛ yɛde saa asɛm no akonkɔn hɔ ɛno de yɛnya nkɔɔ so yɛde saa case no ato hɔ na deɛ di kan di ho asɛm a nam social media no obia ɛka bie no is the injunction sɛ yɛmfa yie ne nkonkɔn hɔ kɔpem sɛ maame akosua sɛwa yɛbɛ declare no as the legal wife no ɛno na ne court ɛyɛ free hɔ nam judge during the Arthur say abusua ne nkɔ no munko yomade wo munko no munko sort out their differences wo munko no munko tena te se abusua na nsem bi ehye ho no mu bia no munko ka wo asem injunction de wanyi ntum because emfa hwe ma emfa problem bia ma so wagitu ma emfa asem bia ma nti wenya de a ye de injunction editor so nti maami akosua se wa assistance now on 6 December 2025 nothing with regards to say ebe hoti that Lumba idea no ene mpenifo yakobo mama ne ebie ho ma ebe hodi nanso no wono na ebe declare no as the legal wife of that Lumba no so the sa case ni da hon ma yenko ho now according to the lawyer nenu masam na kire say court ashe omo say from that was yesterday to Friday they should present every document bia so what's nasia that is Friday will be the last day. So what's nasia no or say bua sa asem na ebe mama mi akosua nko aye the legal wife na eno so ye de sa asem na kwa kogu ansa na yie no abaso. So social media for the sake of education, the injunction on the funeral of the late Charles Kojo Fosu, that Lumba, is out of coverage area. It is not in existence again. Now, after the court, the lawyers, ebi kasai yenkonkoti o manu masem nibi.
God had to make the determination of the injunction application that has been placed on the body of our beloved Daddy Lumba. We made our superior submissions in court together with counsel of the second defendant, and the court heard our prayer and currently denied any injunction that is placed on the corpse. So currently, as we stand here, there is absolutely no injunction on the body of Daddy Lumba. The family has absolute right to make any determination as to the type of burial, the role they will assign to any person. So that is the good news that we have currently.
Yentintum intentem soa as the lawyer aspect out to the voice in Chichimuno said I'm the ma and a lawyer na chiriche the judge otine dwom na obua sa asem we eyi injunction ifri ho no Now dear Bakos are they attaching explanation, you know, and now saying ruling, you know, and he say a won automatically nipani wupe. Say nipani e wupe, there is nothing like marriage anymore. Say nipani wupe, there is nothing like mikuni ana meyini. And you know, lawyer no, and now say judge, you know, entry was as we see su people. And they say, Mami Akushia say, wow, death out care between or no any nukuno. And as far as say a kuna wouldn't there, we need control beer over the body again. The body is now for the family. If no, and now say, said the Chicas and almost say a dear no, and any dear beam, so what you say, and now said that Lumba say, and then can fight for anything be a yaw dear, and no, the law no ever come. But that Lumba wouldn't quane dear. Be a binding mummy, no say, will you kunu and nasa will be a year in a dear, a woo. Anyone would be Sadi and anyone would be into on timing granted, Mammy Akosia say, why the role and now say the authority to supersede and now to take charge of anything. A Bemana take you over the body. Now the body is for the family. Into family, no, I yabusia penny no, enko. Non-co sort out their differences. Now one chile entity be on person mu ye be a fa busiano. No, no, involve obia was so by yena say. One was so involve obia de to me be beshenisa. So now they to me no is in the hands of a bushia penny. Eja kofi owusu. Ninchire mu ono so the tato after the court ruling a man is out to me no and it's with him. Ebusia penny akasa, ebusia penny 18 sembi film na dia ba kunye. Said ya usi to hono sa na bonje so for to. Said ya uya hono sa na nipa ehun wofa. Se uja ho jeje mu a ye fa wa jeje mu. Nti ebusia penny said ya wo kan social media nkrofo e do atam no you ask yourself say asem ni si ba ye no e start ye no e bobo so ba no wanum asem beda abonten asebusua pani anka wokasa wi anka nsuo ana ye se opani dware wi na anka nsuo asa nke ye nsa kokromoti ho na wabopo da bi da nye yi enti ka asem bi anka befa obeka fra abusua no mu bia na should have been final anka be ma obi akoma to ne yemu no. You started this whole controversy. You started this whole reportage. I can't wait, now back can't wait, now back can't wait. And I did this whole confusion starting on social media. And social media is a place it doesn't know respect neither a nim openibi, but I'm running chewa. Offense work and what's dikeke. That doesn't warrant anyone. Say, Asmaba Bontain, now Vobekika de Apediachiro Penibi. That is wrong. But Bucha Penny, you committed yourself in the first way, but it was wrong for people to insult you. But the reality is, if you are interested in the attempted DNA, you should be also interested in how you put your information out there. If you are interested in how people address you on social media, you should be also be interested in how you cannot say I don't know anyone I a friend Odobroni, then you come back on a U-turn and say, Ani afedi, wababeti, no wakunu. So Odobroni, so a wife of that Lumba. You cannot fight in left and right and stand at the middle and you'll be asking, say, why in starting into Kwano Dabi? So as you said, assume Jane they are going forward, verify your information, verify whatever be also can as a bushia penny. The word is a bushianimu penny. A bushiano nadano into whatever you say should be final. But not to be back and forth, a raising people talking here and there. And none of the say, if you should have known better right from the beginning, this whole issue and say. So respect on that level, but Respect must also be given to people when you're addressing issues out there. So social media, people insulting him, we must put a stop to that, because we're penimu, but the penimuna or no shouldn't let people and also prevent people from not sell a symbol menu. We have to talk, but it should be criticized in a great and a peaceful manner, but not insult people, because you can be hold or held accountable for defamation and assault verbally or physically. Let's take note of that, which is very important. Now, Yanko Germany, as there is a statement and now say a letter from the German embassy to whom it may concern. Actually, social media na mototoa yampiano. The other time, lawyer Chirimu said some people you hold them for contempt. International ma kana senye dia court you must be very careful. Sentisa ohun betimi achiro. Ye hu nkrofo no mu bi o makeka nsama mo ho achiro wo mo. Ebinum akopie court na ye nsem bebrebe. So you have to be very careful. With this one I'm talking about is from the German embassy, and I say from Germany authorities or the government, stating categorically that Lumba and Mami Akosia say wa aware and yenguni baby. As far as Germany, any the marriage council, any the authorities are concerned, they know nothing about divorce or minimum who be. Initially, or when we started this whole conversation or this story, we said that Lumba is a German citizen, but a Ghanaian origin. And he said, "Ya Ghana want to to me, no, sir, Germany aban so want to me." And Germany abanya on 23rd December 2004. Mami akusia say one that Lumba call her, acquire the ordinance marriage, you know. I certificate one, chere say, woman san can crata bia, woman anything bia, ebe affirm any factor that Lumba and Akusia say wa on divorce grounds, and tisa and the marriage certificate still holds, but the German authorities are and also able to everyone ama entiasiano aye juma. Now still on press releases are wodo any munche chiremu na and maybe one bed them clear ediama wa wutie nyina no. It's about on 24th October something happened. So put that letter 2 on for me. Now before that, Papa She and so a statement in Sama Oka concerning 28th October this year after the ruling on Yonko Shemra.
When you break Eddie Mamia Kosia say again now who hope to gain from this?
Me gaining truth, righteousness, holiness, sanctification. Because a radic boba ni bema, one more ba any mema, and one more bema, any emma, the radian was a mosso, the radia cana maye. And me yakosi say yes to Christo beba. Ni drama kuna for, ni drama emma, and for echo on a warrior, and cause say won't feel, cause say one a warrior. Ni drama amanokre, side shake for say, the woman you're wrong.
Papa She, the onyebusheni, he's only fighting for the all fighting manual. So it is a Papa She, Eddie Mamia Kusia say, where it's here. And the Lumba, any penny, and Nestina for Suetia. Not the reason is that Wojinama married woman. Wojinama woman, ya waro woman. Wojinama one na yade yaudi be AD woman because of impressive side check in Hunsemunti. And no, and in the concern, ama same way about Twabonti. Where dear. Now, this one is going to be our final story on this one. Na yashe nimu dear. The next sitting I concerning who becomes or whether they are going to grant Mami Akosia Sewa the only legal right. Say obeti mi ayekunano and Honsembeba. If that press release, so I already put that one for me. That is the family one now, which also clarifies. Na refute certain things at that bontin ho concerning people are more kase busia penny no abekan sembi na nensem o mo so abeka no chirem se yes busia penny say ane wono amakwan se maami akosia se wa any prisla wodro ana se odobroni omomienu betimi ayekuna no sansem we ya da bontin nkrofo akeka na ebidi ede discussion no. It is not true enye no kre. This is the press release. The family of the late Charles Kojo Fosu that Lumba clarifies false claims regarding widow rights and funeral arrangement. Date 26 October 2025. Clear say on kan sa asem ne da. On kan ne baabia. Na emu nkyeremu a yede ema wo the press release that so ne nyina no. You can read it na yenti emu nsem no. Na mame paraphrase, mame summarize emfama. The family of Charles Kojo Fosu ana Dad Lumba omo ekokopie mu asawase hene ahemfie on 24th October 2025, said by Nana Ose Kwame Chichi. On 24th October 2025, that is 5 days ago, and at the family of Dad Lumba and the other family or the representatives are omufri odobroni aside near busuapeni any akosia se wanson crofo ekokopie mu ewasawase ahemfie. Omukopie ho na no otitire ne wotena asasem wesi mu no eye na nana Kwame Twirtwi ose Kwame Twirtwi wona tena asem ni mu edi asasem we na emu nkyiremu no ene se ye tena ase no ene ye se edian ho asem na mu ken emu nkyiremu kra ne se mu moye ni yakobo ye nyina no de yakoba ye ne ene mami akosi ase wase ane me de me kura me nkrata kire se me ne Dad Lumba ye nya aware ye ngu aware no baabia enti no me nko a na metima ye kuna na me nko a na wase declare me se me ena me ye Dad Lumba yere ene ese mo apia waka ayate ene etene de call mami odobroni so ene ese odobroni ene abusua mo so mo taachiri a mo se odobroni so wo the legal right so no so timi yekuna no ene wo nso dia wo so gina so wo legal certificate dia ebo achidom dia emawo wutimi kasa me kunu ni Dad Lumba wawuo no wo nso nkrata asem wo hemfa ye bebo abusia pani na ya bo odobroni ni ya bo wona wota odobroni achi a back and forth ye twenkrata atweniema ye nya any document bia yenya anything bia state ana chere say odobroni ewo any document backing na eno na asem ni kokotwa nyina say se wonni nkrata chere say wo betimi ayekuna na say wo ye jire ede ma Dad Lumba de a asem ne de ewo court dada enti till say court ede ni ruling beba bonten no oba be chirem no no nso aba be ka ne de no me a me chirem edi ama asemi ewa sawase ahemfie me Nana Ose Kwame Twirtwi me masima me kan say mami akosia sewa onu nko na the legal wife edi Dad Lumba, and that is the statement now the press release now that's so no. If you can give me the part 2 of the back page, yes, and you take your time and read all these, so read here you get to understand certain things be na eno na mankrofobiki kan sem say abusia penny say wa makwan say emani me enu betima yekuna ba we letter na efiri abusuan ho Dad Lumba abusuan ho no no chirim say entanase e course on 24th October no na enye de obetima yekuna asem enye de ye kan boma so obetima yekura asem ba emum de oye jire ho nkomo ene ekodi ye na de onfa ne nkrata mra so wo yire nanso no odobroni antimi onfa nkrata bia ama se oye jire enti no eye Nana Ose Kwame Twirtwi abosa asem no atena so se akosia se wanko a ene ye yire enti ne se court nso betena se wasa asem wie ho ni ye declare ana ye betimi a clarify the airways or whatever be regarding this dear. Now the statement is still on that Akosia Sewa has the legal document backing her as the legal wife of the late Dad Lumba. Nanso no oni hu tumi bia se odi injunction ebeto eye Dad Lumba eye so entin eye ne bekoso, but who become the legal wife in it dear it yet to be ruled in court as we are all waiting on the next sitting na the munchire munso ababeto so ediama. But until that, I say you are who you want to become in future, directing your path with the full energy and the knowledge-based technical thing you need. But so one first animal we are jema vo what life, about 20 said ya water damini about 2 kwakwa ama achiro. Life is just short, not just to enjoy it, said the person will enjoy Nibia, but live it with a great impact, because you might be an exemplary life to positivity or negativity. Stay positive. But until that, I say synergy. Always the two fingers in the air.